Today I'm going to be talking about how to use Netflix to learn any language that is available there. As you all know, Netflix is a streaming service with thousands of shows and movies, and while it may not be known for being the best tool for productivity, language learners appreciate its value. With that surplus of content in so many languages, with subtitles and dubbing as well, it is the perfect comprehensible input environment. Few things are better for learning languages, for absorbing input, than movies and shows. With movies and shows, you get to know many different accents, and they have very authentic speech, just like how people talk in real life, basically. They use many different expressions, slang, they use very concrete vocabulary on certain topics, depending on the plot of the movie, obviously. So it is a great option, one of the best actually. So what is this tool I'm talking about? It's called Language Reactor, and it's a Chrome extension that you integrate within Netflix, and it allows you to read the subtitles in your target language and at the same time the translation in your native language, so you can see the vocabulary, so you can see the translation of the words, so you can analyze the grammar and do as you please. Okay, so as you can see, if you hover the mouse in some word, it shows the translations. Now, if you click the word,
feet,
you can see the different meanings. You can see some sample sentences with audio. And you can also see the websites like reversal verb conjugation. You can go to Cambridge Dictionary. You can go to Wiktionary as well, to word reference, to poems. And you can also mark the word as learning. And what does this do? I'm going to show you right now. So basically what this does is you gotta go to the website first of all, languagereactor.com. And here you can see this phrase bump. And what will happen here is you will be able to practice the words marked as learning. So you just click start practice, and
Tom hides some leaked documents.
Say the sentence loud, and you have to try to understand. And then you can just click the reveal button. You can just
Tom hides some leak.
Tom found the leak, and have you found the leak?
You just have to
That's my
try
conclusion
to
as
listen.
well.
These ones, but there is also another ones.
Tom loved banana.
Which I don't remember right now. But basically there were some exercises in which you had to try to guess the translation as well. But well, these aren't any more words marked as learning. These are just extra practice.
Tom loved bananas.
Practice. Yeah, it's not shown. It's extra practice to improve your listening and grammar knowledge. Exactly. So basically, when you don't have enough words marked as learning to continue this lesson, basically it adds another words automatically, which is a very cool feature. Also, you can go to media, and we're going to see the books later. But if you go to YouTube, you'll see a lot of videos categorized by levels, but I don't really know what these levels mean. I don't think it refers to difficulty, because if you go, for example, to level 1, you can see here the time I fell asleep with an M&M in my mouth, for example. And then if you go to level 10, which should be the hardest one, you will see Amazing Movies History as you completely missed. So it's basically kind of the same difficulty. So I don't really know what these levels mean, but anyway, it's a very cool feature. You can also go to channels. You can see here the TED Talks, Rachel's English, the infographic show. You can sort by most subscribers and with subtitles. Subtitles are also a magnificent way of improving your reading and your listening as well. It can help you. Here you can just see shows and movies. You can include dubbed audio. You can sort by country, by rating and year, all of this stuff. And you can also go to books, which is an amazing feature. And you can go, for example, to the autobiography of Benjamin Franklin, and what is this, AP? Oh, okay. You can.
We Americans devour eagerly any piece of writing that purports to tell us the secret of success in life.
I think I know this.
success
you have
in
the
life.
English text, and right next to it you have the translation in your native language, which is amazing. This is amazing to build up vocabulary and improve your reading a lot. You can just translate the words if you don't know them. Eagerly, purports, for example, don't know what
Purports.
Purports, to pretend, to imply, I don't know. And this is awesome as well. Keyboard, okay. What else do we have here? Words, yeah, you can see like all the words that are in the book, or I guess some of it. I don't know if this is all the words that are here. They are categorized by their difficulty level. So basically, these, for example, are the most difficult words, such as discouragement, disinterestedness. 18th. How is 18th difficult? Franklin, companionship, versatility. Or maybe this is like the frequency of words. I'm not really sure. Yeah, I think it is the frequency. Wealthiest, astonished. I don't know what this is. Cloud, Camus. I don't know. I have no idea, to be honest. But well, this is an amazing feature as well. Apart from that, there is also
perhaps in any history.
And the thing with chatbots is, I had tried to create one on ChatGPT and Google Bard, which is basically ChatGPT from Google, but in real time, so I think it is better. And I wrote them like, you are my friend and talk to me colloquially, please. To practice Croatian. But it didn't work out because the chatbot used very formal language. And I don't really talk formally when I talk Croatian. I talk just like I would in English or Spanish or Portuguese. So it didn't really work out. But this one is the most colloquial I've seen until now. Hence, it is the best, to be honest. You can also make them play Elon Musk, Winston Churchill, Walter White, Rihanna. You can, angry owner, that's to imitate situations. Vocabulary history. Please write a story using some of these words. Leak, conclusion, think, find, eagerly, maliciously, footage. Wow, this is amazing. Psychologist. Pretend to be a psychologist. Introduce yourself as a doctor or area and ask me a question. Then games. Harry Potter, dungeons, high school. Just area. Wow, really, this is amazing. I'm gonna definitely try it for Croatian. I think this is everything from this website. Well, maybe not everything, but like the most important things. These features that I've showed you are not available in all the languages, but I believe they'll be getting implemented with time, and this will turn into an amazing website for learning languages. Well, it is already, especially for English. However, I don't use all of these features here in this website. I just use one, actually, though that'll probably change soon since I'll start using this one for Croatian. But basically what I do is I go to LingQ, first of all, LingQ first of all, which is my favorite language learning website. Then I go to Netflix, and you're gonna see right now what I do. I go to export. First I select some episode of some show or some movie. I go to export. I deactivate all of this because I don't need it. I copy all of the script. Okay, let's say this is all of the script. I wait for this to load, obviously. I go to import lesson. Then I write the name of the lesson. This would be, what is the name of this show even? Young Sheldon. Okay, so Young Sheldon, for example, in the name of the episode, which is pilot. And I copy this. I select the level of difficulty, which would be B2, I guess. The language, it has Macedonian now. That is amazing. Anyway, and I save and generate the lesson. As you can see here, for example, I have a lesson from Volkx, which is the first episode, rites of passage. And what I do is I copy all the script of the episode, I paste it, I create the lesson, and then I translate all of the words I don't understand. For example, Let's say I don't know this word, which means
Drugčí.
different. Drugčí. Well, actually this means more different. I think.
Drugčí.
Yeah, more different. Let's say I don't know this one, which means God.
Bog.
And let's say I don't know this one.
Nažalost.
Unfortunately.
Nažalost.
Then I go here to review lesson, and I do exercises with these words to review them, to get to use them actively. So basically it says the word in English and I have to say it in Croatian. Bog.
Bog.
Then it says here and I have to say it in English. Nažalost, unfortunately.
Nažalost.
I
Drugčí.
have this and I have to choose the correct answer. More different.
Bog.
And again this, it goes to level 2. When it reaches level 4 you don't have to learn it anymore. It's marked as memorized. Unfortunately, nažalost.
Nažalost.
And da samo drugčí.
Drugčí.
There are also listening exercises, like it tells you the word and you have to write it. But this is the gist of this method. You choose something relevant, translate it, you add the useful words to Anki. And also with the exercise, you just get to memorize the words. You practice your listening, you practice your reading and your writing. And that is amazing. So you can even simplify lessons here using AI. I haven't used this, but it looks cool, to be honest. But yeah, this is what I do. I use LingQ together with Language Reactor on Netflix. That's all. Now, this is an amazing way of improving your reading and vocabulary because, as I've said before, movies and shows have very authentic colloquial language. And there are so many topics to choose from. You can find any movie or show about cryptocurrencies, football, crime, love, or anything you're interested in. So by doing this with the scripts of Netflix, episodes and movies, you'll be able to get the concrete vocabulary you need or want for the concrete topics you talk or read about. And ultimately, that's the main purpose of vocabulary, using it. It's useless to be learning words about quantum mechanics, for example, if you never read or talk about it and if you're not interested in it. So make sure you learn things that are relevant to you. So guys, this is everything for today. I hope you found something valuable in today's video. I know I certainly did because I didn't know they had added this chatbot function, and that is something I will for sure use for Croatian, for example. Now, thanks for watching the video. Check out the link in the description since I'll drop the link for the extension, and make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see each other in the next video. Bye bye!